everybody, Jaws Jr. here for another in-shop adventure. This adventure is about cleaning rocks. You see that real nasty piece of rough jasper there? All that dirt on it. You could spend time on it scrubbing it down, or you could use a high-powered gas pressure washer to clean it. Smell the fumes, the noise, the hassle, or you could find something in the middle. This is what I selected to try to have something simpler but yet powerful enough to clean some of the more stubborn rocks. You have rocks with lichen on them, mud, dirt, just overall pretty nasty. Now this Craftsman 1700 PSI electric pressure washer so far is doing the trick. It comes with two tips. It comes with a turbo tip and a 40-degree angled tip, or spread tip is the best way to put it. So rather than doing an unboxing, everybody knows what it's like to unbox stuff out of a box. So there it is. It's small, compact, fairly quiet, and what I like about it is it's not sitting here idling. And with my big pressure washer, I cannot let it sit and idle, if not it will burn up the pump. So this one here, it's only on when the pressure is needed and it's not loud. I don't need to wear hearing protection with it. It's not going to try to cut off my leg like the other one will. The only thing I don't like about it, I'll be honest, is the gray high pressure hose. I don't care for that, but it works for what we're doing here. It plugs into a 20 amp circuit, it probably works on a 15 amp circuit, and you know, it's going to be just fine for what we're doing here. So, I know you want to see what is it going to do with that rock. So let's find out and grab the wand. I've got the turbo tip on it, and we'll also do some with the 40-degree angle tip. Okay, did pretty good. I mean, you're still going to get some more done on it. But I like how quiet that is. And you're saying, Jaws, that only has dust on it. Let's show us something that really needs to be cleaned. Okay, so, yes, maybe the other rock was easy to clean. This one here. That cannot be rubbed off. This is Obsidian. So any of you who knows what Obsidian is like, there's some types of it that you just cannot get clean with a scrub brush. Let me put this up there in front of that piece of petrified wood there, and we'll see what this little Craftsman pressure washer will do with it. And again, let's look one more time. This stuff is not rubbing off. So what do you think of that? Let's go ahead and continue on with it. So there we go. This is like a calcium deposit. Not too worried about that. That does not scrape off at all. This tells me where I can cut this now. As you see in the reflection, there's a couple of lines there that's got my attention. Okay, I just swapped out the tip. This is the other one that comes with it. This does a 40-degree wide spread. So let's see how well this one does on that piece of obsidian right here. So knocked off all the dirt. That stuff is still kind of muddy, so it's not coming off yet. That side has some of the calcium deposits on it. Well, not all of it will come off. Now typically I would just run this inside of the milk crate. Just put the couple of rocks on the inside of the milk crate. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have them falling off and everything. So if this is something you want to do, have a milk crate, put a couple of rocks on the inside, and go for it. And you can do smaller pieces as well. But this really helps speed up the cleaning process of your rocks, especially obsidian and other cumbersome pieces. We have some other stuff that we got to get cleaned up, but I just wanted to share this with you because this is a pretty cool tip. That Craftsman pressure washer is available at Lowe's and Amazon. Same price, both places. So for something that's a pretty light duty unit, it works okay. I actually recommend it based off of what the results we're getting here. So just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine, cleaning rocks after picking a few of them up here not too long ago. This is the Adventures of Charles Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya.